Hi, good morning. Tim Johnson here, Cragun's Legacy Golf Courses. We are here on one of our final Legacy home tours. Cabin 850 here, located right off Bobby's number 18. We are starting here on the upper level of our kitchen and living room area. So everything's fully furnished, brand new appliances, into a huge living room, big screen TV. For upstairs, bathroom, and then 2 bedrooms here off the main level, or upper level, excuse me. As we go through this tour, we have 6 bedrooms, 4 baths in this cabin, sleeping a total of 12 people available. Have an outside deck there with a charcoal grill as well. Then we will continue to move throughout the house here, going down to the main level. Huge picture window on the stairs down, overlooking the golf course right outside. And this level is kind of our main bedroom level with the game room. We'll go this direction here first into a lot of the bedrooms. 2 bathrooms down here. A lot of beds for people to sleep here in this general region of the cabin. Moving forward, we're going to make our way towards the game room here. On the way, a few beds and a bathroom as well. And then it opens up into our huge gaming area as well. Very similar to a lot of the other cabins that we've seen. The poker table, the dice. This one does have a pool table on it as well, so if you do get knocked out on the poker table, instead of playing ping pong like an 840, here we have the pool table for you as well. And then we have the big screen TVs with the walkout, huge walkout patio. Great to sit out, see some golf. A lot of the wildlife here real quick. And then just off in the distance we have Bobby's 18, and then our fire pit there that is available to use at night as well. This also is very close to the Legacy golf courses, with shuttle available for any guests that are staying here as well for you. So thank you once again for walking through cabin 850 with us, and hope to see you soon.